Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we will be making crispy fried cinnamon plantains. This recipe, guys, is quick and easy. The fried plantains are an extra sweetened up version that are just as great as a dessert. Also, I'll be showing you what I love to serve this delicious treats with at the end of this video. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. For this recipe, we're gonna use Bisquick pancake mix and wine ripe plantain. So guys, let's get right into it. First things first, whisk together milk and 1 egg, then set aside. Let's work on the dry ingredients. Mix together Bisquick mix, cinnamon. We're gonna also add salt and sugar, then give it a good mix. Now add wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix well until the batter is smooth. Set that aside. Now we're gonna move on to work on the plantain. First, cut off the tips of the plantain. Then cut down the inner arch, only deep to cut through the peel. Next, remove the peel from the plantain, just like so, guys. Cut the plantain diagonally into slices, 3/4 inch thick. Now add all the plantain slices into the batter and coat well. Next, heat oil about 1/2 inch deep in a skillet over medium heat. Add battered plantain slices to the hot oil in batches if needed, making sure to remove any excess drip. Fry the plantains 45 seconds per side. If they brown too quickly, reduce the heat to medium-low. Once all the plantain slices are fried, there's gonna be leftover batter. Don't throw it away, guys. Use a spoon and pour the batter and fry until golden. The fried batter tastes really good. Once the plantains are golden brown in color, remove them and transfer to a plate lined with paper towels. There you have it, guys. Fried cinnamon plantains. They are perfect, crispy on the outside, soft in the inside. Let me show you how they look, guys. So yummy. This is how I love to serve them. 2 fried plantains with 1 scoop of ice cream, then drizzle with caramel topping. Yummy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, guys, like this video and leave a comment to help this channel to grow. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.